Welcome to the top best. The Best Spa Naturals coconut oil is probably one of the most versatile and beneficial natural products you can incorporate into your daily routine, offering a pure, unrefined solution for everything from skin hydration and hair conditioning to cooking and even oil pulling, making it a true multitasker that deserves a spot in every household for its sheer effectiveness and natural goodness. Number 5. Viva Naturals Organic Coconut Oil. Discover the versatility of Viva Naturals Organic Coconut Oil. It's your perfect partner for a variety of uses. Experience the unrefined, cold-pressed difference. This extra virgin oil retains its natural goodness. Rest assured with USDA organic and non-GMO certification. You're choosing a product that's good for you and the environment. Elevate your culinary creations, nourish your hair, and moisturize your skin. It's a multi-purpose essential for your daily routine. This generous 16 fluid ounces bottle ensures you have plenty of this natural oil on hand. Enjoy its benefits every day. What we like. This is a versatile, unrefined option. If you're looking for a pure, natural oil for cooking, hair, and skin, this is a great choice. Its organic and non-GMO certification ensures quality for those who prioritize natural ingredients. What people say. The Spa Naturals coconut oil is a versatile product that can be used for various purposes, including moisturizing skin and hair. It is a pure and natural product, free from harmful chemicals and additives, making it safe for all skin types. The oil has a light, non-greasy texture that absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving it feeling soft and smooth. Number 4. Viva Naturals Organic Fractionated Coconut Oil. Discover the purity of nature with our organic fractionated coconut oil. It's a versatile addition to your daily wellness routine. Experience deep hydration for your skin. This lightweight oil absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling soft and supple without any greasiness. Give your hair the nourishment it deserves. It helps to moisturize and condition, promoting healthier, more manageable hair. Perfect for a relaxing massage experience. Its smooth glide helps to ease tension and promote a sense of calm. Unlock the power of aromatherapy. Use it as a carrier oil to dilute your favorite essential oils for safe and effective topical application. Embrace a natural approach to beauty and wellness. This multi-purpose oil is a staple for anyone seeking simple, effective care. What we like. This fractionated version stays liquid and is non-greasy. If you need a lightweight moisturizer for skin and hair, or a carrier oil for essential oils, this is ideal. It's perfect for those who dislike the heavy feel of solid coconut oil. What people say. It's a great moisturizer for my skin. I use it for my hair and it leaves it soft and shiny. It's a versatile product that can be used for many purposes. Number 3. Viva Naturals Organic Castor Oil 16 fluid ounces. Discover the power of nature with our USDA organic castor oil. It's cold-pressed to preserve its natural goodness. This versatile oil is perfect for your face, hair, and eyelashes. Experience a natural boost to your beauty routine. We use a cold pressing method to ensure you receive the highest quality oil. This process retains all the beneficial nutrients. Rest assured, our product is USDA organic and non-GMO. It's pure, clean, and good for you. Your purchase includes a convenient beauty kit to help you get started. Enjoy effortless application and amazing results. Choose Viva Naturals for premium organic ingredients. We are committed to bringing you the best in natural wellness. What we like. This product is specifically castor oil, known for its hair and lash benefits. If you're focused on promoting hair growth, strengthening lashes, or a complete beauty routine with included accessories, this is the one. It's a targeted solution for beauty enthusiasts. What people say. This is a great product for moisturizing. It leaves my skin feeling soft and smooth. I love how it absorbs quickly without feeling greasy. Number 2. Plant Therapy Fractionated Coconut Oil 16 ounces. Discover the versatility of our fractionated coconut oil. It's perfect for a wide range of uses, from massage to skincare and hair care. Easily dilute your favorite essential oils with this premium carrier oil. Achieve the perfect consistency for safe and effective aromatherapy. Unleash your creativity with our fractionated coconut oil. It's the ideal base for all your DIY skincare, body care, and beauty creations. Experience the deeply nourishing benefits for your skin and hair. This lightweight oil absorbs quickly, leaving you feeling soft and hydrated. Enjoy the generous 16-ounce size, ensuring you have plenty for all your needs. It's a staple for any natural wellness routine. Its gentle formula makes it suitable for all skin types. Experience effective results without irritation, making it a trusted choice. What we like. This is another excellent fractionated coconut oil, perfect for diluting essential oils. If you're into DIY skincare, aromatherapy, or need a smooth carrier for your favorite scents, this is a top pick. Its liquid form makes it incredibly easy to use in various creations. What people say. This is a great product. It is very moisturizing and leaves my skin feeling soft and smooth. I love the scent of this coconut oil. It is very natural and not overpowering. It is a versatile product that can be used for a variety of purposes, such as moisturizing skin, hair, and nails. Number 1. Cosmetasa Body Massage Oil Therapy Kit. Discover ultimate relaxation with our premium massage oil therapy kit. It's designed to soothe tired muscles and promote a sense of calm. Experience the calming power of arnica and lavender. This blend is perfect for easing soreness and melting away tension after a long day. Achieve firmer, smoother skin with our included anti-cellulite oil and applicator tools. Enjoy a spa-like experience in the comfort of your home. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a full-body massage. It's the perfect way to indulge yourself or a loved one. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This spa set is ideal for both women and men, offering a luxurious experience for anyone seeking relaxation and muscle relief. What we like. This is a complete spa kit focused on relaxation and muscle relief. If you're seeking a luxurious, therapeutic experience at home, especially for sore muscles or firming skin, this set is perfect. It offers a comprehensive solution for a spa-like treatment. What people say. The Spa Naturals coconut oil is a versatile product that can be used for various purposes, including moisturizing skin and hair. It is a pure, unrefined coconut oil that retains its natural nutrients and aroma. The oil has a smooth texture and absorbs well into the skin without leaving a greasy residue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.